So let's start video. At first, grid off and ortho 1, type limit, set limit for this drawing, starting 0 0 and 100 and 100 upper portion. Go to right side view, front view for this drawing, figure number 5. Take line command of 74 unit right side, again line command and 20 unit off, line command 28 unit off and 40 unit left, and then close it. Again line command, click here, drag it 5 unit and off for 20 unit, 30 unit right side and then 20 unit off. Click here for unit of 30 and close it. Now front view is ready. Select all, J for join and place pull for a distance of 42 unit and this object for a distance of 30 unit. Now go to front side view and left side for this circle. The Z axis should be parallel to the surface. Click circle command for a unit of 12. Again copy an edge command, select this edge at a distance of 10 unit from below. Now line command, select center of this line and select here center. Again circle command, click here for a unit of 6, diameter 6. Now go to line command, click here center point, again center point of this line. Now go to circle command, click here at a radius of 10 unit and enter. Now we should erase the unnecessary line. Select this line one by one, this one, yes. Type E for erase. Now press pull this object for a unit of 20 and this circle up to this surface. Okay. Now we should visualize this as a wireframe and press pull this object at a distance of 74 unit and erase this circle bottom portion. Now move this upper portion, select and move at a distance of 6 unit. So this object is perfectly placed in this position. Select all this object and join it. Then select it and move. Erase this line. Yes, the drawing is ready. Go to southwest isometric view. For better visualization, go to shade of gray